Today's episode is 70's snoring raptune of Angel snoring with his gang. Enjoy the video.
70, can you do a snoring raptune of Angel snoring?
Of course 69. Let's do it.
You're so nasal, you're so nasal, you're so nasal, you're so lovely. You're so nasal, you're so nasal, you're so nasal, you are the best storm!
She seriously went to sleep. 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 She seriously went to sleep.
Your snore sounds so cute and soft. I'm getting blushed because of that. I am fluttering, I can't stop this cuteness. This is the only enemy I can find that is even more cuter than that. My tears keep on
seriously
dripping
went
if
to
I listen
sleep.
to you even more. It's better than Yuri.
She seriously went to sleep. She seriously went to sleep.
Oh yeah, baby, I love this snore. Yeah, baby, I love it. I like this snore. That will last in my heart forever. Love it forever. Before I end this video, Choni, please do not replace 80's Hakushu snore with Angel snore. Please do 90's because she got the worst snores. She got Akari's and Numberblock 79's. Stupid and horrible and bull crap. Right. Angel Beats has the best snore ever because it sounds extremely nasal and you should use it on 90 now. And this is me signing off.